One of the most important factors when searching for a new tool is budget. You can almost always find the perfect fit within a given price range, but sometimes your dream printer is just barely out of reach. A situation like this is the right time to consider purchasing a refurbished machine to get the high quality you want at a more affordable price. These refurbished machines are gently used but thoroughly tested by the pros at MatterHackers and classified as A stock or B stock, and will always come with MatterHackers lifetime phone and email support. Let's break it down. The A-stock refurbished products will be in a like-new condition with most, if not all, of its accessories still included. Some printers may be missing non-essential parts like flush cutters or thumb drives, but the machine will perform the same as when it came off the assembly line. Every A-stock printer has been inspected and tested for functionality and will only have minor, if any, cosmetic blemishes. At MatterHackers, we want to ensure you have a successful experience with your manufacturing device, even the refurbished models, so you can expect a 6-month warranty to reinforce your machine. As the name might imply, B-stock refurbished devices are still fantastic machines but may have more blemishes than their A-stock counterparts. These machines are still inspected and tested for functionality, but may have a few more noticeable flaws and scuffs that otherwise don't affect performance. More significant but non-essential items like filament, SD cards, or tools may be missing, but everything necessary for the machine to run properly will be included, like power supplies and power cables. Packaging that is missing or too damaged to be relied upon will be replaced with sturdier but non-original packaging. Of course, B-stocks will receive the same 6-month warranty as A-stock refurbished machines will too. Just because these are refurbished doesn't mean MatterHackers won't support them any different than a brand new machine. We want all of our customers to be successful with their tools, so give us a call or send us an email should you find yourself struggling. You can expect to receive our full backing and lifetime support. We've heard it all before, so don't be afraid to ask us any questions you might have. Along with all the other great everyday deals at MatterHackers, these gently used refurbished devices are the perfect source for makers, manufacturers, and educators to find high-quality tools at an affordable price. Our supply of refurbished machines is ever-changing, so to stay up to date with what we have in stock, you can check that out at MatterHackers.com. Hey there, thanks for watching our tech breakdown on MatterHackers refurbished machines. Buying refurbished is a great way to get the machine you've had your eye on at the most affordable price that you can. If you want to read some in-depth articles, you can go to MatterHackers.com, or to stay up to date with all of our digital manufacturing content, be sure to click subscribe. See you in the next one.